What the fuck was that about?
Stella's got hurt bad.
Stella's got what? He can get hurt?
Leaving. We're leaving.
Excuse me, barmaid.
Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.
Hey, love it.
Ow! Between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding. Probably something stupid.
Thank you for summing that up.
Oh, the gods hate me. We're dead.